Hello and welcome to Maths with Mr. Holmes. What will you learn today? Let me tell you. It's adding fractions, different denominators, part 5, more than a whole. We have our steps to learning written up clearly so you can follow along step by step as we go. We're going to use our extra special chocolate bar models to help us. Let's have a look at our question. 1/2 add 3/4. After we've identified our fractions, we need to make the denominators the same to find the equivalent fraction. We have 1/2 of a chocolate bar and we want to find 3/4 more. We can't add these at the moment because the sizes of the pieces are different. So let's find an equivalent fraction. We'll split the chocolate bars up into quarters. That will help us make the denominators the same, or common. The 1/2 is the same as 2/4. Let's go and write that up. 1/2 the same as 2/4. That's our new fraction. Now the sizes of the pieces are the same, we can add the numerators. 2 add 3 will be 5 pieces. Let's show that. We had 2/4. We wanted 1, 2, 3 more quarters, so we have 5/4. Our denominators stay the same. That's the size of the piece. Quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal pieces in a whole chocolate bar. We then write our new fraction. We have 5/4. Now, it's more than a whole. Can you remember the fraction? It's an improper fraction. The numerator is larger than the denominator, even though it's more than 1. Let's try and write that up a different way. We can see with our chocolate bar we have 1 whole. And on this second chocolate bar we have 1 piece out of possible 2, 3, 4 pieces, or quarters. So we could write it as 1 1/4. Remember, like every good mathematician out there, we need to check our answer. And one way of doing that is going through our steps to learning to make sure we haven't missed any. Let's look at a different question. We have 2/3 add 3/6. The sizes of the pieces we have are different, so we need to make the denominators the same. Find the equivalent fraction. Here we have 2/3 of a chocolate bar, or 2 out of 3 equal pieces. But here we've got 6ths. So let's find the equivalent. Let's split the chocolate bar into 6 pieces. So 2/3 would be the same as 4/6. Let's write that up. 2/3 is the same as 4/6. That's our new fraction. Now the numerators can be added together. 4 add 3 equals 7. We had 1, 2, 3, 4/6. Add another 3/6. 1, 2, 3. We can see we have 7 pieces of chocolate. our denominator stays the same, 6. That's the size of the piece, split into 6, 6 pieces for each chocolate bar. We write the new fraction down, 7/6 we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we check through nice and carefully. Now we have another improper fraction. Let's try and write that as a mixed number. We'll use the help of our special chocolate bar model. We have the whole of this one, that's 1, and we have one more piece out of 6 pieces, or 1/6. 1 and 1/6 in total. And there you have it. Adding fractions with different denominators that come to more than a whole. Writing in improper fractions and also mixed numbers. See you again soon for some more maths fun.